Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the coffee machine in Subnautica below zero. First of all, once you're at your drop pod, go ahead and travel toward the Delta Station dock. We are almost there, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. So once you're at the dock, pick out your scanner, go to the stable, and here you'll see the coffee vending machine. So go ahead and scan it. And now you can craft the coffee vending machine. Now, once we are back at the base, you can go ahead and pick out your habitat builder, go to interior modules, and here you'll see the coffee vending machine, on which you'll need 2 times titanium. So once you gather titanium, you can go ahead and place it wherever you want on the wall. So to use it, you're gonna have to craft a thermos, place it inside, and it's going to make you a coffee. It has unlimited uses, and that's pretty much all. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.